WTI.
I love sweaters in the fall, and this one by MIHOLL is so beautiful. This is the brown. It kind of is a rusty orange brown color, but it also comes in several other colors. It's a size large, which was very true to size, and it goes with everything. But my favorite part of the sweater is the sleeves. So they are lace. They are so beautiful. So not only does this help me keep cool because I am a hot-blooded person, but it is stunning. I get so many compliments on this sweater. The end of the sleeves is kind of runched, so it has a nice fitted look. And the design on the whole sweater is just really pretty. I wore it with jeans, leggings, a couple skirts, and it looks great no matter what I wear it with. So if you're looking for a really nice sweater for this fall that has some character and isn't just your run-of-the-mill plain sweater, this one is beautiful. You will get lots of compliments on it as well.
And that's my point of view.